So the first thing you see when you walk into my room is my bathroom and my boyfriend's little desk area that he has right over here. I'll get into those spots later, but when you turn in, this is the room. Right here, I just have this little picture frame thing that my boyfriend gave me for my birthday a couple years ago. Still have the same pictures and everything. And when you turn over here, this is definitely my favorite part about the whole room. I just love how it came together. So starting with the bed, I wanted to keep it pretty neutral and everything like that. I'll be sure to link everything down below that I got as well. This shelf, me and my boyfriend put up together. We just bought a plank of wood from the department store, like Home Depot, I believe, and we just painted ourselves. We got the brackets, painted them gold and everything like that. So that was just like a fun little project that we were able to do together, and it came out really good. I love how it turned out. Right here is this side table that was like his grandma's, and this lamp that was like his great uncle's or something like that. We love hand-me-down furniture. It has a lot of sentimental meaning to it. Here is this Yosemite poster that we got from Society 6. I love this moon phase little garland that we got. When we hit it against it, or when we slightly tap it or the wind blows in our room, it sounds like a little wind chime, so it's super cute. Right up here, I just have one of my Polaroid cameras. This beautiful plant, her name is Layla, and this art piece that me and my boyfriend, we actually painted together. It was really fun and super easy to do, and I just love how it turned out. It definitely incorporates all the colors that we were going for in this room. This ukulele, and this is another plant. Her name is, what's her name? Oh no, her name is Rhonda, and her name is Layla. So this is Layla right over here. And then this little candle, oopsie, I'm sorry, baby. Almost stepped on Scar. She's right here taking a nap. But this candle holder I got from Ross. It was only $1. It was on sale. Same with the candle on top. And then stacked under Layla, I just have a couple poetry books. These are Milk and Honey and The Sun and Her Flowers. To the left of my bed, I have this map. It's from Target, I believe, and on it you can pin all the places that you've been. So these are just some of the places that I've been. Can't wait to just continue adding more to it. Here's my little money tree. Her name is Shireen from Kendrick Lamar's Money Tree song. He always says Shireen, and that's her name. Here we have on my little side table, I just have my Ana Luisa box. I just keep all my jewelry in there. And then I thrifted this little like ashtray that I just put like bobby pins, hair ties, whatever. But I'm pretty sure it's like from a strip club from back in the day. The Chi-Chi Starlight Room, hey. So I don't know, I just love thrifting things like that. I'm sure it has like a bunch of stories attached to it. And then down here I just have a pair of my shoes. To the left of my bed, I have this beautiful shelf. Down here we have a record player. This shelf, I just have this mini Zen garden, some string from my sewing machine right over here. And then also this book that I just read, The Alchemist, really good book. Love it. And up here is a piggy bank that my friend gave me in high school. So I've had this for a really long time, and I'm just waiting for the right time to just cash in all that money. Right here is another plant. Her name is Bella. And then I have this rock that someone gave me that I do not remember where I got it from or who gave it to me, but I just love the little saying that's written on it. I think it's super cool. And right here I have this candle that my boyfriend's sister's husband gave me for Secret Santa, and he knows I love The Office, so I just thought it was like super cool. Up here I have my sound bowl, a candle, some sage, and then this just weed leaf that my boyfriend framed. I think it looks really cool. Moving up, I have my money lay from my graduation, this Polaroid camera that I thrifted, this really cool art piece. I don't know, one of our friends gave it to us that I think he bought from like San Francisco or something. And then we have another planty over here. Moving on to my desk. This is where I usually edit my videos, I do homework, etc. So I just have my laptop here, this little keyboard, if I ever plan on getting a desktop or something. And then I have my passion planner. Still been using my planner even though I've been in quarantine. It just keeps me accountable to stay productive throughout the day. And then this chair, I actually love this chair. It has this really cute wicker like style to it. $3 from OfferUp. I'm telling y'all, check out OfferUp. They got a lot of good deals and people are usually trying to just get rid of things that might be super cute to you and super affordable. This velvet pillow is from World Market. And then over here I just have a candle, these flowers my boyfriend got me, and I just keep my pens in here. I just didn't like how pens looked all spread out and stuff, so I just put it in this cute cup. And to the side of my desk, I just keep this little crate here, little planty that I just got, and then I have my amp for my guitar, and then my backpack right over here. And then also for the desk, I mostly just keep like my sewing machine right there. I was gonna put office supplies and things, but I feel like having my sewing machine right there, it motivates me to start sewing. I just get super intimidated by it, but having it right here just reminds me like, come on, try it. So love that little space for there. And then to the left of my desk, I have this beautiful mirror that I got from OfferUp. Again, $40, no, $50. And it was such a good steal. I love it so much. I've been on the hunt for a vintage gold mirror and I was so happy when I found this. I kept bothering the girl about it. I felt so bad, but I just wanted the mirror and I love how it turned out in my space. It definitely opens up the room. And then above my mirror, I have these three little, they're like linen tapestries, and they look like the tarot cards. Tarot, I said taro. For my Filipinos out there, you know taro. But this is tarot cards. And I just love the colors of them. Really great quality. This is from Amazon. But I just think it looks super cute right above my mirror. This is actually a vintage Louis Vuitton scarf that my great grandma gave me, and this is a little hat that I thrifted recently. Moving over here, another thing that I love about my space is that I have direct access to the patio, so when Scarly over here just wants to go outside, I just open the door and right out here, just come out here and enjoy the view. It's so nice. If you have me on Instagram, you know I just love sitting out here, reading a book. I love eating dinner out here. It's just super nice and something that we love, especially that we have direct access right from our room. So we come back in. Hi, Scar. You love our new place? And then you come over here. This is where we have like the entertainment section. This is another planty. This one has 3 trunks to it, and so I named her Mama Say, Mama Sa, Mama Kusa. And then I have my guitar here. Another reason why I have it out like this, I need to motivate myself to continue learning and getting more skills with the guitar. Over here we have my Monstera. Her name is Mona. She's doing really well. There were some parts that were like darker on her leaf. I cut a piece off so that she didn't just keep dedicating her nutrients to one little spot. And then you move up. This is an art print that I got from Desenio. These two are also from Desenio. I'm watching Pose right now. Season 2 is out. Go watch it. If you also watch Pose, feel free to chat with me on Instagram. I'd love to talk to you about the show. The show is so good. I love it so much. Over here, we have this little journal my mom gave me just to jot down any places that you wish to go. 4 Agreements, another good book. Vibrate Higher Daily by Lala Delia. She is so good, and this is a really great book if you're just starting to introduce yourself to spirituality and wanting to better your daily routine as far as wellness and spiritual wellness. So highly recommend. Moving over here, oh, by the way, this dresser's from IKEA. I know everyone has the dresser. Probably didn't need to say that, but yes, just in case you're wondering. Over here I have an Indonesian teak scented candle from World Market. This random kombucha bottle, I just thought it was cute right here. And then another planty. Her name is Stretch. Over here I have some goodies that I'm saving for a little project soon, so be on the lookout for that. And to the left, I just have this other print from Decenio and this little grid where I hang up Polaroids and things like that. The sweet note that my boyfriend gave me. I need to add more Polaroids to this, but I haven't been going out, so I haven't been having many photo shoot opportunities to do that. Okay, moving over here. This is my closet. I didn't really want to go into it because it's kind of wild right now. But I started color coding it for the most part. Still a lot of work, but yeah, it's just a closet. This mirror is perfect for outfit photos. I love it so much. It's ginormous. Oh, she wants to go out. Super convenient. Scarlett loves just laying on the patio all day. She just basks in the sun. But yes, moving on to this side of the room. We'll peek into my bathroom. What's up? So over here, I just have an iHome speaker if we ever want to play music while we're just taking a shower, whatever the case may be. This hand soap, oh my gosh, Bath & Body Works Soothing Oatmeal Hand Soap made with almond milk, sandalwood, and suede. It smells super good and it makes your hands really soft. My boyfriend's dad gave it to me. He goes in on the quality soaps and I love that. So been loving that so much. This is another one of those candles that my boyfriend's sister's husband gave me for Christmas. I love RuPaul's Drag Race, and so this candle is just perfect. Got my Mario Badescu spray. Over here I have this photo that we got from Hawaii. Over here I just have like a little Lush catalog that I thought was cute, some candles, some more bath bombs, Epsom salt, towels, toilet paper, the goods. And then I have this frame art piece from Decenio, and then this fake plant. I was trying to get a real plant in here, but the lighting isn't that great, so I feel like that one does the job. And then another thing I wanted to show you all was this massive shower head that we got from Amazon, and it's amazing. It's a rainfall shower. It's so good. I get worried about wasting water, but I only take like 5-minute showers, but those 5 minutes are heaven, trust me. Okay, moving on to here. It's my boyfriend's desk area. This was like built in, and then he built the shelf above. It has just some of his favorite vinyls that he has, and then these little panels are just this big art piece that he did that he cut in half and then he put it on his walls. And then over here are actually the signs that we made when we were protesting in San Diego, and he just decided to hang them up. They actually turned out pretty cool. But other than that, that's basically my room.